let us have a discussion about the triplets, Pythagorean triplets. In the Pythagorean triplets, it is better that in our notebook we write the triplets. Let us see what is the meaning of a triplet. For example, let us have an example. Let us think that we are climbing a staircase. We are climbing a staircase. So this is one of the staircase. This is 4 units or 4 centimeters, and this is 3 centimeters. So we want this distance now. Because we know the Pythagoras theorem, because it is a right angle at 90 degrees is there. This is right angle at 90 degrees, and we already know the theorem. According to that, if this is z, this is x, and this is y, we know that z square is equal to x square plus y square. So nothing but 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square means 4 4s are 16, 3 square means 3 3s are 9. That's nothing but equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. The same 25, z square is equal to 25. So z square is nothing but equal to 5 square. So therefore z is equal to 5. Generally plus or minus 5, we did not go for negative, only plus. So the value of z we got as 5. So this z is equal to 5. Means 3, 4 and 5 we called as triplets. 3, 4 and 5 we called as a triplet. In the triplet, the highest number will be the Pythagoras, will be the hypotenuse. The highest among all, the highest number becomes the hypotenuse. I think now you understood what is the meaning of a triplet. So these three, the set of these 3 numbers is called a triplet. In that way, I request all the students, please see that you are writing down the values of the triplets. And here are some of the values of the triplets. That is 3, 4, 5 is one triplet. 5, 12, 13 is one triplet. Here I would like to tell you one point here. If you take 5 or 3, this triplet or that triplet, if you just see that, please see, that is 3 square. 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. If you divide that 3 square by 2, you are getting 4.5. If you divide it by 2, you are getting 4.5. See, now you are getting the value 4.5. So, the values of the other numbers are 1.5 this side and 0.5 that side, with 4 and 5. Okay, now one more example. 5. If you take 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 by 2 is 12.5. So 0.5 that side and this side is 12 and that side. So I think now you understood. Same 7 also. 7 square is 49. Divide by 2. 2 2's 4. 2 4's 8. 24.5. So 24.5 means 24 means 0.5 this side and 0.5 that side becomes a triplet. So whenever there is an odd number, the same thing applies for any kind of odd number. For example, now you take another number that is, let us take, please you can try for next numbers, that is 9, next 11, 13. You please do the same method. Please try to follow the same method what I have followed. Okay, this is also one of the method to get which can be followed. So my dear friends, now I think you got some. This is a shortcut method. Okay, you need not by heart about that, but you have to by heart these things. Now let us take the case of, see, these 3 cases we got the odd number and the first number. In this case we are having an even number. In this case, let us see what is going to happen. If you take that 8, the even number 8, if you divide 8 by 2, you are getting 4. So 4 square is, if you square that 4, you get 16. 4 square is 16. So when you are having 16, one number that side and that this side. Means one number this side is 15, one number that side is 17. So 8, 15, 17 is also a triplet. Similarly, when you take an even number, this is an even number, that is 12. It is an even number. So let us see that case. 12. See, the method is different a bit. 12, when you divide it by 2, you get 6. You get 6. 6 square is 36. One number this side and one number that side. 35 and 37 become the triplets. Okay, this is also one of the method. If you take 16 divide by 2, that is 8. 8 square is 64. One number this side and one number that side. 63 and 65. Now, this is also one method. If the first number starts with a even number, this is one number. You can, with this you can still find out some more. But I request all of you, please see that 3, 4, 5. These are all the triplets: 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17, 12, 35 and 37, 13, 84, 85, 16, 63, 65, 20, 21 and 29. I request all of you, check it. Just don't simply by heart. Apply this. Apply every triplet into this formula. Apply it and verify and check yourself. Is it right or wrong? Multiply it and you check it. So I think here it is 48, 55, 73 is a triplet. 65, 72, 97 is a triplet. 36, 77, 85 is a triplet. 39, 80 and 89 is a triplet. 29, 45, 53 is a triplet. 33, 56 and 65 is a triplet. I think now you got some idea about the triplets. I request the children, I have told two methods. One method is when it is starting with odd number 3, 5, 7. For that you can write up to 30, 35. Until 30, 35 take all the odd numbers. Means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Like that. 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Like that you keep taking. Up to 35 you take. In this already we have discussed. In all these triplets, the first number is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35. And how to find out the next numbers is already we discussed. If you take 3, you take 3 square. If you take 3 square, you get 9 divided by 2, you get 4.5. If you get 4.5, 0.5 that side and 0.5 this side will be the two numbers, means 4 and 5. Same 5, if you take another one, 5 square, that is 25 by 2, that is 12.5. 0.5 this side is 12, 0.5 that side is 13. 7. If you take the same thing, 7 square, 49 divided by 2, that is 24.5. 24.5, this side is 24.5, that side is. Like that same method, if you keep doing, you will get these triplets. I request all the children, please try to do it. Do it up to 35. You can do it. You can just see, verify, check it up, and I request all of you to do it. The triplets are an important thing, especially in the competitive examination. Okay. Now let us, these are all the triplets when the triplet is starting with an odd number. 7, 24, 25, 9, 40, 41, 11, 60, 61, 13, 84, 85, 15, 112, 113, 17, 144, 145, 19, 180, 181, 21, 220, 221, 23, 264, 265, 25, 312, 313. Please make it as a game. You can just play it as a game. You can do it like a game. You can do it. Your numerical skills are going to improve, my dear friends. Don't think you are wasting your time. No, numerical skills are going to improve. 31, 480, 481, 33, 544, 545, 35, 612, 613. These are some of the triplets where the first number is starting with an odd number. In these triplets, the first number is an even number 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. In that case, let us see an example. If you take the 4, just we divide the first number 4, that means we get 2. If you make the square out of it, then this 2 square is 4. One number this side and one number that side becomes the triplet, means 3 and 5. Let us take one more example. If you take the next set 6, divide by 2, you get 3. 3 square is 9. One number this side and one number that side becomes the triplet, means 6, 8 and 10 becomes a triplet. And let us take one more example. I think now you understood by this time. If you take 8, just divide by 2, that is 4. If you take 4 square, that is 16. So one number this side is 15, one number that side is 17. So 15 and one number this side and one number that side. Similarly, 10, if you take the first number as 10, divide by 2, you get 5. You make the square out of it, that is 25. So one number this side is 24, that side is 26. I think now you understood. If you take 12, divided by 2, that is 6. 6 square is 36. One number this side is 35, one number that side is 37. Like that you please do it. In the same way, 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 square is 49. One number this side is 48 and 50. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 square is 64. So one number this side and one number that side, that is 63 and 65. Similarly, 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 square is 81. So 81 means this side is 80 and that side is 82. Similarly, 20 divided by 2, that is 10. 10 square is 100. One number this side and one number that side, that is 99 and 101. I request all of you please, similarly, 22 divided by 2, that is 11. 11 square is 121. So one number this side and one number that side. So similarly, 24, 143, 145, 26, 168 and 170. 28, 195 and 197, 30. So I request all of you to 224, 226. Do it. Don't just simply copy it. Do it. If you get the correct answer, you can note it down. If you don't get, don't consider. 32, 220, 255, 257, 34, 288, 290, 36, 323, 325. So in that way, I think you got the method of to do. With the even, the number starting with an even number. The highest number is always the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Thank you.